Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is June 12th, 2017. Pepper and I are up here in northern Minnesota. We've been on a 5-day long camping and fishing trip. And we're putting the boats away, and I've realized I did not have a video of this motor. So this one here is a 1982 Evinrude 25 horse, or 15 horse, that I picked up about a month ago. And I had a bad gear case on it. It was cracked, freeze damage. So I put a replacement gear case on it, put a new water pump in it, and that's all I did to it. And we've been running it. This is the second trip it's been on, and it runs good. So anyway, we're in a buddy of mine's Lund C14. I think it's, I don't know, probably right around 1970 or something like that. So yeah, give you a show on this one. Put a new water pump in it. Okay. My board's over there. Put them on the trailer. Water's still full. Idle way down. And worse. Back and forth. Okay, that'll do it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.